Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Devour Delish. Today I am going to cook Chana Masala. So for that I take 250 grams of chana. Then soak the chanas overnight. Place those chanas in pressure cooker and then add cinnamon, clove, cardamom and salt as per required, and also add required water. Then cover it and cook it for 5 whistles. Then in a frying pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then in oil, give some cumin, bay leaves and red chilli. Add 1 big onion paste. Also add salt as per required and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give ginger garlic paste into it. Then add 1 medium-sized tomatoes puree and cook it well. After that, add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. And then goes 1 tablespoon of Chana Masala powder and pour water so that the spices does not burn. Add some sugar for taste. Then I crushed some dried fenugreek leaves and give into it. Cook all the spices very well. Then I kept some chanas aside and mashed some of those chanas, and now I am adding it into the cooked spices. And now I am adding all the chanas into the pan. And then I'm giving 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala and a little bit of ghee. And now it's ready to serve. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon.